Sailing into the world of English idioms. Unraveling, sail into something. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, sail into something. This phrase can be quite puzzling for English language learners, but worry not. We're here to unpack its meanings and usage in everyday conversation. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this idiom but also be able to use it confidently in your own conversations. The phrase, sail into something, can be interpreted in multiple ways, depending on the context. At its core, it evokes the image of a ship smoothly entering a harbor, which metaphorically extends to someone beginning or engaging in an activity with enthusiasm or vigor. Example 1. Tackling tasks with energy. When someone says, "She really sailed into the project," it means that the person started the project with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. It's as if they're charging ahead, full of determination and readiness to tackle any challenge that comes their way. Example 2. Criticizing or attacking. Interestingly, sail into someone can also mean to criticize or attack someone verbally with intensity. For instance, the boss sailed into him for missing the deadline, depicts a scenario where the boss strongly reprimanded the employee. Now that we understand what sail into something means, let's look at how to incorporate this idiom into our daily conversations. Tip 1. Expressing enthusiasm. Use it to describe your own or others' enthusiasm towards starting new ventures or tasks. For example, "I'm ready to sail into learning new languages this year." Tip 2. Describing intense discussions or critiques. It's also useful for narrating situations where someone is being criticized or when a heated discussion is taking place. Saying, "She sailed into him over the uncompleted chores," vividly describes the intensity of the confrontation. Congratulations on adding another idiom to your English toolkit. Sail into something is a versatile phrase that can add depth and color to your conversations. Whether you're talking about diving into tasks with gusto or engaging in passionate discussions. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is practice, so don't hesitate to sail into opportunities to use them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.